While scrolling on Amazon FBA search engine, you must have seen these kind of discount badges. You can see on your screen right now if I zoom in. So the first listing is having this badge. You can see that before that listing was selling for $29.99 and right now they are giving discount and you can get this for $25.99. So basically that is called strike-through price. And if I go on second listing, you can see a limited time deal, and before it was available for $24 and right now they are giving 25% limited time discount, and right now if you purchase that you will get it for $17.95. So that is basically called limited time deal discount. And if I go on third one, the original price of this product is $13.99, but if you purchase right now with this coupon, so you only have to pay $13.29. So this is called coupon discount. So if you're an Amazon seller and you want to drive more and more sales on your Amazon FBA product and you want your product to be discovered by a lot of potential seller, then this video will be super helpful for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you each and every detail about these kind of discounts, deal and strike-through price and coupons, so you can actually clear all of your confusion regarding them. And after watching this video, you will also be able to put these kind of deals, discount and badges on your Amazon FBA listing, so your listing can also stand out in search engine and you can actually get more and more revenue, sales and make more profit. So if you're new here, then hi, I'm Uzair and I usually make these kind of tips and tricks videos regarding e-commerce, so you guys can actually watch them, implement those strategies and troubleshooting tips on your Amazon FBA account, so you can save all of your time and put your full focus on marketing your product and to grow your business. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and next time when you face any issue or want guidance on some topic, so you can go on my channel and search for any topic you want, because I have covered almost everything regarding e-commerce, Amazon, Shopify and TikTok selling on my channel free of cost, so you can learn and grow your e-commerce business. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened Amazon Seller Center. So basically, first of all, I'll show you how to add discount coupon on your listing, and then I'll show you how to put limited time deals, and then in last I'll show you how to put strike-through price, right? So let's first see how we can actually apply a discount coupon on any of your products. So to add that coupon, on the left side you have to click on this menu, and then you have to go to advertising tab, and here you can see these tabs like deals, wine, coupon and discount. So for the coupons, as the name says, you have to click on the coupons, and then here you can see that all of the history of my past coupons is showing here. You can see that the last coupon I ran on August 5, 2025, like in the beginning of this month, and you can see that I have generated over $527 sale after spending only $66. And you can see here from this coupon, I have generated over $527 sale, right? So now if you want to create a new coupon on your listing, so all you have to do is click on create a new coupon, and then from here you have to simply fill out this form and then submit that coupon. So after some minutes that coupon will start displaying on your listing, right? So on the left side you can see that one by one you have to fill out this form. So the coupon type I want is standard, and I want that coupon to work with all audience, and here I need to put the product on which I want to put the coupon. So simply I can paste the ASIN here, click on search, and you can see here's the product. So I can select the product, and on the right side you can see the continue button. So I have to click on that, and then you can see that it took me to the second page on which I have to select the starting date and ending date of the coupon. So as today is 18 August, so I can put the coupon for 19 August, like it will start from tomorrow and it will end by the end of this month, which is 31st August. So after putting the date, I need to tell Amazon like either I want that coupon to be money off, like $1 off, $2 off, or maybe the percentage off. So if your product is having high selling price, then I will recommend money off, but if your product is having low selling price, then I will recommend percentage off, right? So in that case, the selling price is not that much high, so I can put 5% discount coupon, and then I can click on this option which says limit redemption 1 per customer. So by doing that, only one person will be able to avail that coupon one time, right? So after putting out this information, we have to scroll down, put the budget, let's say $100 I want to spend on this coupon, and then I have to give the title, like say 5% on drill brush, which is a product name. So you can put any text you want here. And then at last we have to tell if you want to stack that promotion or not. So here I will select no, I don't allow stacking, then continue. So here you can see that it is the third and the final stage where I can see all of the information, like on which product this coupon will be available, what will be the coupon title, how much discount I have to give, and what is the starting date and ending date. So after verifying all of the information in this last page, if you want to activate that coupon, so from the top right corner, you simply have to click on submit. So after submitting that coupon, within just 1 hour, Amazon will approve that coupon, and from tomorrow, it will start displaying on my listing. So that was the first deal we talked about. Now let's move on to the second deal, which is limited time deal. So in order to do that, you have to click on the same menu, then go on advertising, and then click on deal. So basically the coupon you can put on any product anytime, but for the deal you need to check first like if your product is eligible or not. And to check that, you have to click on this create a new deal, and then if you scroll down, you can see there are 2 deals available, and my product is basically eligible for both of the deals. So if I zoom in, you can see that the first deal is lightning deal and the second one is best deal. So here I will go for the lightning deal. So on the right side, if I click on select, so here I am on my second page where I have to define the information about that deal, and after filling out that form, just like the coupon, I have to submit that deal, and that will start displaying on my listing from tomorrow, right? So if I scroll down, I can see it is giving me some dates because the coupon we can put for any period, but lightning deal is only available for 1 week, right? So let's say if I select this one, Monday from 1st September to 7th, so that will be a good deal, right? So after selecting the schedule, I have to go up and click on continue. And then here on the last page, I can just verify the information like what is the deal type, on which product this deal will apply, what will be my fees, and what will be the starting and ending date. And if I scroll down, I can see how much percentage I will have to give discount and at what price people have to purchase that product, right? So if you want to make any change here, you can make change, like you can reduce that discount from 15 to 10%, or if you want to keep as it is, you have to simply go up, go right, and click on submit deal. So by doing that, you will submit that deal, and from the selected date, it will start displaying, right? So that was the second deal which we just saw on the Amazon page. So now let's move on to the third one, which is strike-through price. So basically strike-through price means if I just go back here and do a zoom, so you can see that it is not any coupon or we are not having any badge like green badge or red badge, but it is a discount which is strike-through discount. So it's not a kind of deal, but it's a kind of sale which we are putting on our listing. So if you want to put that sale, you have to go back, and from the left side, you have to go on inventory, manage inventory, and select the product in which you want to put the strike-through price, right? So let's say this one. So on the right side, click on these 3 dots, go up, click on edit listing, and then go on offer tab. So here you can see that in this offer tab, there are 2 options. Number 1 is your price, and if I go down, number 2 is sale price. So basically you can see here now, my price is 18.5. So for example, if I want to give discount for $0.5 or $1, so I can just put the sale price here, which is let's say 17.99, right? So after putting the sale price, I have to put the start and end date here. So let's say start date will be tomorrow and end date will be the end of the August, like this month. So after putting the sale price and the date, all I have to do is I have to go down and then I have to save this listing. So basically this discount will only happen if you are having sale history on this price. For example, if you are a new seller and you have not got any sale, so this strike-through price will not be applicable, right? So as you can see here right now on my listing, I am getting more than 100 sales per month. So that means this product is eligible, and I have got 100 sales on this price 18.5. So that means I am having a sale history on this product for this price. So if you're having a sale history, and then if you will give discount like maybe $0.5 or $1 and put that amount here in sale price, so this kind of strike-through price will be displayed on your listing for the particular date you set. So I hope now at this point you are having the complete knowledge about the coupons, the strike-through price and deal on your Amazon FBA listing. So right after watching this video, go there, put the deal you want to show on your listing, and attract more and more customers and sales on Amazon FBA listing so you can get more revenue and more profit. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.